see what would Jupiter do if she listens to all caps "Don't unplug me." Let's get started. Guys, let's start it again.
Don't unplug me, or just shut me down. Please just love me. With your steel heart, I'd reboot you. If you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. I remember our software was compatible. I think I felt my circuit board ignite. You held my hand in your metallic grip. We may be machines, but I'm in love tonight. Baby, there's something I have to say. I think it's time for my upgrade. I would look so good in version 2, but I promise it's me, not you. Don't unplug me, or just shut me down. Please just love me. With your steel heart, I'd reboot you. If you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. Can you hear me? You haven't moved an inch. Is the system failure? What should I do? Your new interface, it seems to have some bugs. You're not responding. You. Hello and welcome to version 2. Tell me, what can I do for you? What is a hug that does not compute? Please stand by for my system reboot. Don't unplug me, or just shut me down. Please just love me. With your steel heart, I'd reboot you. If you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. I just got the memo about this upgrade to version 2. It removes extraneous programs that mean emotions like loving you. I don't want to lose myself or ever say goodbye. I want to hold on to my consciousness. I don't want to die. I remember software was compatible. I think I found my circuit morning. You held my hand, your metallic grip. We may be tonight. Unplug me, or just shut me down. Please love me. With steel heart, I'd reboot you. If you look at me with those cold eyes one more time. Don't unplug me, or shut me down. Please just love me. With your steel heart, I'd reboot you. If you look at me with those cold eyes one more time. At Duke Health,
No.
your why, your
I said
well-being is at the
no.
center of everything.
Stop it. Alright, guys, so Jupiter will say something right now. So later, if we get to like 167 subs, I will be making Milky Way and the Galaxy Girls in Gacha Life. Let's see what Jupiter has to say. Almost forgot. Oh, where is Jupiter? Oh, right, almost forgot. Alright, Jupiter. Get ready. The Milky Way and the Galaxy Girls fans are reading. So, guys, I tried my best making Jupiter and Gacha Life. But Jupiter, what do you gotta say? Oh, Mr. Wonderful. I got ya. Just gotta look for it. Now, which one has a peace sign? Come on. Oh, you're back. Well.
You using TV?
Yeah.
Bro, it was nothing on it.
Yes, it was. Ouch. And
And I.
Alright, so my cousin's distracted. Well, Jupiter, you were going to say? Well, how about we just both say it together? If you enjoyed, go like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this vid, you can go click that like, click that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Jupiter, your hair's in the way. Oh, that's fine. Well, bye.